Hello everyone, my name is Clinton Hart. I'm one of the trading instructors for Top Gun Options, and I've been scouring through some of my stocks as I do on a daily basis. It's a Monday evening, and I think I found something for us. At least take a look at this. You don't have to implement this trade, but at least watch it. Netflix. Been pretty popular in recent months. I'm going to jump on the bearish bandwagon. Now, how do I want to do that? Okay, first of all, let's go look at the technical analysis. I'm a combo trader. I used to trade the natural gas options pits and on an energy desk over in New Jersey. And what we did to make money is we combined fundamentals and technicals to reconfirm our position and puts the odds in our favor, and that's what I'm doing today, okay? RSI has been decreasing. RSI means relative strength index, steadily decreasing. MACD, moving average convergence divergence below the signal line, check. All right, trend line intact, check, pardon me. 200 moving day average decreasing and continues to decrease and has not been breached on the rebound, check. All right, fundamentally I've been checking some news outlets out. Netflix is just doing some, what would you call it, damage control as far as maintaining a subscriber. They had their run. I mean, look, they traded $300 a share. They got destroyed at the end of the year, made a little comeback in early Feb and January, but I think the steam has run out, and a lot of the pros would agree with me, I believe. So let's see what we can do. How can we make some money off this? First of all, I do want to reiterate the fact that we are here for educational purposes only. If you're going to use real capital, you need to use a registered broker or a financial advisor. Okay? So this trade is for educational purposes only. We shall move on. I'm going to sell the 120. I'm going to put together a vertical spread. I'm going to sell the upside calls to get bearish. So I'm going to collect the credit, put it in my pocket, and hope that the market stays where it's at now, or drifts down, or dives down. So I'm bearish, slightly, or majorly bearish, but if it stays neutral, I could probably still make some money off this trade. Okay? I'm going to be selling 10 April 120s and buying 10 April 10 clicks away. And you can vary these strikes if you like to. I'm using this one, 10 clicks. Okay, create the order. Looks like a vertical on the chart there, doesn't it? We're going to offer at the offer on the reopen in the morning, okay? I'm sending this in late night. So when the market does open, I'm poised to take advantage of this. Let's reanalyze this trade, as we always should before we punch the ticket. Selling 10 Netflix April 12, 120, 130 call verticals at 170. So what's the most we can make off this trade? Well, it's the initial credit, correct? So we sold this position to someone else, Joe Schmo. He's a good guy. He's always taking the other sides of my trades, and he did it again today, or maybe in the morning. I'm liking the probability for max profit. Pretty good. Now, there's a give and take to everything in life, correct? So max loss is 8,300. So how would this incur? What a threat to success? What would that be? We don't want to lose $8,300, so we're going to have to put a stop loss in it. Now I want to reiterate also once again, we're selling this. So what do we want this thing to do? Decrease in value. When you sell something, a spread or any kind of asset to someone else, you want to decrease in value. All right. So if this thing starts to rally, pass through, let's do half this is 85, so 255. We're going to bail at the 255 level. All right. Unfortunately speaking. Hope it doesn't happen. I'm pretty confident it won't, but I've been wrong before, and I'll be wrong again. But I like this trade, and I think you will too. Look at the break even, a room to breathe with this stock. 120, you can go 122 before you start losing any money. Okay, I'm gonna create the order. Let's zoom in. Actually, this new feature Trade Monster has, zooming in. There you go, 121 break even. Pretty cool. All right. We're going to send this order in, make sure the quantity is correct. You're selling everything. Everything looks pretty nice and neat at 170. Boom, boom. A day order, not GTC. Okay, confirm. Pay the piper $15.50 to play the game. 1684 is really the overall credit we can receive after paying the piper. Send it, don't spend it. It's in. Okay. So I mean, we're poised. We're offered above on the market reopen. I'm loving Netflix to the bear side. Um, you guys should too. So keep an eye on this trade for me. We're ready to go in the morning. Clinton Hart, Top Gun Options. Make sure you put your stop loss in. Be sure to hedge. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.